How are you? Welcome to my class. So today I am going to continue with my same lesson, that is Greek, Roman and American civilizations. So far we have seen about the Greek civilizations, and in the last class I have started the Roman civilizations. So in the Roman civilizations, my today's topic is Julius Caesar and Augustus Caesar. So about these two persons today I am going to tell you. So let me start with the Julius Caesar. So Julius Caesar, in the course of time, the ruler of the first triumvirate consisting of Caesar, Pompey and Julius, means the Roman civilization started with the three rulers, that is called as a triumvirate, means the three people are ruling, that is Caesar, Pompey and Julius. Caesar started in Rome as military generals. So these three persons are the military generals who are ruling the Roman civilization, that is called as triumvirate. Triumvirate means the three persons, military generals ruling over the Roman civilization, that is Caesar, Pompey and Julius Caesar. And Julius Caesar won France and England, means what they defeated the France and the England countries, and they conquered and they extended, they started ruling. So same like that only, this Pompey won Syria and Turkey, and Caesar died while winning the Parthian like this. Rome, which was just a city-state, became a huge, vast empire. So after that, this Julius Caesar defeated and killed his rival, that is Pompey. Do you know what I mean by the meaning of rival? Means his enemy. Actually, this the Caesar's Pompey and Julius Caesar, they are the three people, military generals. They started ruling over the Roman Empire, this Roman civilization. But this Caesar, what he did, he wants to rule all alone. So what he did, he defeated the Pompey, and Caesar won the love of the Cleopatra. Do you know who is this lady Cleopatra? She is the Queen of Egypt. The Queen of Egypt. This Julius Caesar, he fall in love with Cleopatra and he will marry her. And the powerful Caesar declared himself as a dictator. So see here, Julius Caesar, what he did, he defeated and he killed Pompey, and Caesar's, what he did, he in the battlefield he was killed, and this whole Roman civilization was in the hands of the Julius Caesar itself. Julius Caesar, and he declared himself as a dictator. Dictator means what? He is the one single ruler of the Roman, and the republic system of Roman, he was assassinated, he was murdered by at that time. So all the people, the common people, what they did, they murdered the Julius Caesar. And the Roman agriculture, industry and commercial had involved a lot. Means the Roman Empire, it involved itself in the agricultural field, in the industrial field, in the commerce. So evolved, it's developed a lot. And he implemented a Julian calendar also. Who is Julius Caesar? His work was further continued by the Augustus Caesar. So after Julius Caesar death, who has started looking after this Roman Empire was Augustus Caesar. So far we have seen about the Julius Caesar. So let us know about the Augustus Caesar. So this Augustus Caesar, his early name was Octavius. What his name was? His name was Octavius. He found the second triumvirate. The first triumvirate was Julius Caesar, Pompey, and Crassus. So these are three people. They are the military generals. They used to rule over the Roman civilization. So after the first triumvirate, the second triumvirate was formed by the Augustus Caesar. And this triumvirate was with Mark Antony and Lepidus. Mark Antony means it's a Mark Antony, Lepidus, and the Augustus Caesar. Later he chased away Lepidus and shared the kingdom with the Mark Antony. What he did? He threw Lepidus from the Roman civilization and all, and he started ruling with the Mark Antony. Who? Augustus Caesar. So Augustus Caesar defeated Antony as he sided with Cleopatra. So after the death of Julius Caesar, Cleopatra, she became all alone. Again she will fall in love with the Mark Antony itself. So Augustus not chased the Lepidus, but also he murdered, sided, defeated the Mark Antony also. And Mark Antony and Cleopatra, what they did? They committed suicide itself. So because of whom? Because of the Augustus Caesar. After this, Augustus consumed the title of imperator. He consolidated all the powers. He himself took all the powers with himself and he started ruling. And this Augustus Caesar period is called as a golden period itself. And he undertook some welfare programs, also developmental program. He himself declared that he changed the Rome from the bricks city into white marble city. Pax Romana means peaceful period of Romanity. So Rome. So here about today we have seen about the Julius Caesar and the Augustus Caesar. So this Julius Caesar is a military general. With the three people, he started ruling over the Roman civilization. Who's that? This is Crassus, Pompey, and the Julius Caesar. So these three are the military generals. So Augustus Caesar, what he did? He defeated the Pompey and not only that, he defeated Pompey, Crassus. What he did? He died in the battlefield itself. And this Julius Caesar, he all alone, he started ruling over the Roman civilization. After that, what happened? He declared himself as a dictator, and he will fall in love with the Cleopatra. Who is this Cleopatra? Cleopatra is a queen of the Egypt. After that, this Julius Caesar, after declaring himself as a dictator, the common people of the Roman civilization assassinated him. Assassinated means what? Murdered. So after Julius Caesar, Augustus Caesar came to the power. He also started the triumvirate, where the three rulers, three military generals will rule. So that is, those are the Mark Antony, Lepidus, and the Augustus Caesar. So this Augustus Caesar, what he will do? He will chase him throughout from the Roman civilization, that is Lepidus. After that, this Cleopatra and Mark Antony will fall in love with each other once again. So this was not digested by the Augustus Caesar. So after that, what happened? Augustus Caesar will defeat the Mark Antony. So seeing all this, these two people, who Mark Antony and Cleopatra, they will commit suicide. And now this Augustus Caesar, he became all alone imperial. All the powers were in the hands of the Augustus Caesar. And the Augustus Caesar period is called as a golden period. And not only that, the whole Roman civilization was changed from the brick city into the white marble city. And Pax Romana means powerful period of the Romans. Means this person, Augustus Caesar, was a very powerful person in the Roman civilization. I hope so you all understanding, students. Again, I'm going to continue with my same lesson. I hope you all understand. If you have any doubts, any queries regarding the lesson when you come to school, you all can clarify with me. Thank you, students.